Today's weather is very good. The weather is very friendly. Makes me feel happy. But my stomach is very hungry. But there's no food here.
Hi, little brother. I'm coming.
Hello, my older sister. Come here.
Yes. Wait, I will be there. Have you eaten yet?
Not yet.
Sorry for you. Okay, I'll try to get some food for you. You wait here, okay?
Okay, sis. Yes, sis. Be careful.
Okay, little brother. I've been flying here and there, but haven't found food yet. My stomach is very hungry. Yes, I seem to see a little bit down there. I will make my dinner dish.
My older sister is very good. She want to find food for me. I haven't found anything that I can eat all day. I'm also lazy to look for food. Today, I prefer to stay here. Luckily, my older sister came.
Yes, I got you. Wow, lots of corn here. This is my and my little brother's favorite food. My little brother must be very happy that I brought this corn. Yoo-hoo! Finally! Yes, I have got this corn. Now I will bring this corn to my little brother. My little brother, I brought this corn for you. You must be very happy. What? Where is my little brother? He was here. I'm so worried. My little brother, where are you?
Few minutes ago, Eagle came here.
And then?
Eagle has taken your little brother.
I cannot stay still. I have to save my little brother.
However, it is very dangerous.
It's okay. I have to save him.
Take care of yourself, my friend.
Don't worry, my friend. Come on, sleep, my little bird. Because tomorrow morning you will be my meal. Enjoy your last snack here. Ha 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 ha.
My older sister, please save me. I don't want my life to end here. Older sister, thank goodness you came. Please save me.
Calm down, little brother. I will save you.
Yes, finally, I can get out.
I'm good at running, climbing. That's me, squirrel. Jumping there, jumping here. That's my greatness.
Squirrel, come out.
What's wrong, my friend? You guys seem scared.
The eagle had eaten me, but my older sister managed to save me from the eagle clutches.
Luckily, you guys are safe. Is there anything I can help?
Can I stay in your house? I'm afraid the eagle will chase me.
Hey, please come into my house. In my house, you will definitely be safe.
Thanks, squirrel.
You're welcome. Let's go inside.
What? Where is my little bird? Why did he disappear? There must be someone who helped him escape. I cannot let it go. I look for you guys. Watch out, okay? I will catch you back. Listen, the eagle is looking for us.
You'll be safe here. Eagles cannot find us here.